So what I'm about to say is probably very laughable, but I feel like I'm finally getting somewhere. This is like my little YouTube corner. They smell so weird. Ugh. Hi and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to keep this intro as short as possible because this video is quite long, I feel. But basically I have finally finished decorating my room. Of course I had to film a room transformation video and share the whole process with you. I really hope you enjoy watching, and before we get started, if you enjoy arty, lifestyle and just generally creativity based content, then why not subscribe and turn on the notifications to be notified when I next upload. So here's my problem. This is a long single bed and my bedding isn't long enough. So as you walk in, this is currently what you see in my room. As you can tell, it's an absolute mess. I am unpacking. I wanted to do a before and after clip, but I forgot to do that yesterday when I started unpacking, so yeah. This is my wardrobe. That's my desk area. Very nice. In preparation for my friends Emma and Hannah arriving, and because they're bringing like all my stuff, I kind of want to have empty space in my room because I'm going to have a lot of stuff that I need to work through, and I think the more of this I get rid of, the better. So I'm just going to separate my clothes, put them on my bed, put them into piles of like hanging and folded, and then when they bring my stuff I can get my coat hangers out, hang it up, and that's half that job done. So that's that suitcase empty. I've still got that suitcase to empty, but that's like already half empty anyway. And then the rest of my hand luggage. All my stuff is here now. So I think I'm going to start unpacking by emptying this box. I seriously don't know where to start from. I think I might do clothes. I've got the clothes on my bed, and then I've got more in that suitcase down there. I think the next thing that I'm going to try and do is empty that suitcase. Once that's all away, I'm going to put stuff in that suitcase that I want to give away, sell, donate. I've unintentionally made that shelf. I think I was just like putting stuff there and kind of formed like this. Kind of like it. And then I think I'm gonna do this shelf next. I've put everything I want on it already, It's going to be like my art shelf, so I'm going to put my paints and that kind of thing up there. And then I've just got random stuff over there. We'll ignore that for now. I'm not so sure about this shelf. It's a bit too beigey. I'll probably rearrange it, but I'll leave it like that for now because it looks tidy. So what I'm about to say is probably very laughable, but I feel like I'm finally getting somewhere. I'm trying to do this shelf at the moment. I'm not really sure what I'm going to put on it, and I have a feeling that I'm probably going to end up swapping this shelf with this one. Ow! Ow! I feel like I need to put something colourful up there though. Okay, so what do we do for this shelf now? Put the mirror up like this. Put the mirror. That hand sanitizer. It's the next day and I'm basically fully unpacked now. I just need to tidy my desk area. Just got some few bits and pieces to put away. Yesterday, or at least in a previous clip for you guys, I explained how I didn't really like how I set this up, and same for this shelf. And I was laying in bed last night thinking to myself what I could do, and I just thought it looked very overcrowded. Like there's too much stuff here and it's all very beigey toned. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my painting supplies in a basket up here. I'm not sure if you can see it. So I've basically put everything I want to in the place that I want it to be for now, on this side of my room. There are a few changes, like I want to decorate the board and I don't like what it looks like up there. So yeah, I'm going to change that all around, but the majority of it is done. I'm like fully unpacked and everything that I already have is in place. My desk isn't messy anymore, it's all nice and tidy. This is like my little YouTube corner. For the board behind me, I wanted to fill it up with Polaroids, but to be honest, I have nowhere near enough Polaroids to fill that up. So I was thinking to myself what I could do, and I was kind of going through like my art from the summer, and I remembered that like a while ago now I did a video where I tried TikTok art DIYs, and I made these two paintings, and I thought it would be cute for me to make a few more and put them up on this board and like put Polaroids around them almost. You'll see what I mean. So I was going to get my room sprayed for pest control, so I had to take all of my photos down just to be sure that they wouldn't be ruined. So I'm just gonna like put them up and put more up in like and put them in a different arrangement so that I can put more photos up, and so that they take more space basically and fill the whole board rather than just half of it like it was before.
up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger, we never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. What our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I.
The next thing I want to sort out is this chair, and yeah, I don't really like the colour of it. So what I've decided to do is I've got this throw, and I got it from Wilko. It was £4. They had lots of colour choices. They had like so many beautiful colours, but I decided to go with this because it's the exact same shade of pink as the throw that I've got on my bed, so I thought that it would just like look good together. This chair is so uncomfortable, so I'm hoping that putting a throw on it will make it like a little bit more comfy. I don't know. Okay, maybe this didn't go to plan. What are we thinking? It's comfy, that's for sure. Yeah, it's good. And this is the perfect length as well. We love that. We love it. One of the last things I want to do to my room is put up these ivy garlands, and I got these from Amazon. They will be linked in the description. So I just had an Amazon parcel delivered to my room, and it is this. You can't really see it, but when you open it up, it's ivy garlands. They smell so weird. Ugh. Anyway, yeah, but I ordered these so I can like put some along the top of this and some other places in my room, and yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put the garlands, like I want to like put some like hanging from that corner and as if it's coming out of the corner, but yeah, first I need to untangle them. I'm gonna have to move my stuff in my bed around. I don't even know if I can like reach. Oh, okay, I've surprised myself there. I didn't think I would be able to reach the corner, and I just realised I haven't untied all of it. There we go. Got my command strips. Watch me like get these all tangled up now and break them. I'll probably like rip them apart. There we go, 2 strands.
Used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. I don't feel like I used to. No, I don't feel like I used to. You can tell me something new. Oh, you can tell me something new. I don't feel how I used to. I don't hear from you like I used to.
So clearly that is done. I am so happy with the result, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I've still got a lot of ivy garlands left, so I might put them up somewhere else in my room as well. I think I might actually put some like greenery on that wall as well.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
So this is a quick overview of my room. I'm so excited. I love it so much. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I hope that this maybe gave you some inspiration if you're redecorating your room. Let me know if you are either redecorating, thinking of redecorating, or if you've just moved in somewhere new and you want to personalize your room, then definitely let me know in the comments, and maybe let me know like what style you're going for. As you can see, I really like the green ivy garlands. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, why not subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed it, and I will hopefully see you in my next video on Monday. Bye!
This is when you were broke and poor. You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.